Hello cuties! I'm so excited to see you back on this channel. In case we haven't met before, I'm Anastasia, the founder of All You Can Face, and if you're interested in becoming the best version of yourself, learn more about massages, facial exercises, and everything about beauty, health and skin, then make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and today I have a little surprise for you! As part of my little Gua Sha routine, which you can find on YouTube on my channel, I'll show you today how to get rid of fine lines, how to relax your forehead and get rid of tension on your forehead. So all today is about the forehead and Gua Sha. So before we start, we need to prep our skin. And for that, I'm using an oil, and this one is from Flora and Bust, which I really love. And you put a couple of drops onto your hands, never directly onto your face because we do not want to cause bacteria in our product. We warm up the product and then gently tap it onto our face. And since we are focusing on our forehead today, make sure your forehead is sufficiently covered in oil because we do not want to tug or pull the skin additionally, and we want to make sure that the Gua Sha has enough slip to release the tension and still do not damage or cause any irritation on the skin. While your skin probably will be red, you will see it probably on mine, my skin gets constantly red when I use Gua Sha. It shouldn't be long to return to your normal color, otherwise you probably used too much pressure. Just make sure you glide the tool as flat as possible across your face, unless we use some acupressure techniques and really focus on one area to get rid of the pressure, then we can also use the harder side, so to speak, or the rougher side of the Gua Sha. So without further ado, let's get ready and start our Gua Sha routine together. I hope you loved this video as much as I love doing it. I hope you feel relaxed around your forehead area. This is an amazing way to kickstart your day or also finish off your day, to release tension, to really combat also headaches, and you can literally incorporate that daily into your skincare routine. In case you do not have a gua sha, you can also do the moves with your hands, and just know that these are massages. We release tension, we enhance blood circulation and lymphatic drainage, but you can also work out the muscles, and for that you can check out allyoucanface.com, because in that program you will learn not only to engage the muscles, release the tension, and you will do every day 10 minutes exercises and massages with me without losing too much time, and you will incorporate that daily into your daily practice so you see results fast. And with that being said, I can't wait to see you next week, and I wish you a wonderful rest of your day. Till then, mwah.